Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Poco launched their new smartphone with the name Poco X3 NFC. Is now official with the Snapdragon 732G, aggressive but the low prices smartphone. The long-awaited mid-ranger from Poco is finally here. Say hello to the Poco X3 NFC. Yes, the official name of the phone has near-field communication in its name, but has plenty of other cool specs worthy piracy. The X3 Poco NFC come with a Snapdragon 732G chipset by Qualcomm, making it the first in the world with that platform. And the company claims it is the most powerful Snapdragon 700 series 4G processor to date. The front panel of the phone is massive 6.67-inch LCD with a full HD plus resolution and 20:9 screen ratio. It comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate of the smooth gaming, and the selfie camera is hidden behind an unobtrusive punch hole in the top center. The snapper itself 20 megapixel f2.2 with some pixel binding technology for better selfie in daylight mode. The smartphone camera on the back are the true X factor of the mid-range. The Poco X3 NFC has 64 megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX682 sensor behind the f1.73 aperture and 6p lens. There is also 13 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera with 190-degree FOV. The other two camera is 2 megapixel f2.4, one for close-up shoots and the other is deep sensor to assess the portrait photo. Poco is bringing some AI feature like sky scamping 3.0, the all-Bulgarian night mode, shoot steady video to artificially stabilize any clip. Another feature of the Poco X3 NFC that is truly exciting is the massive 5160 mAh battery. It comes with a 33-watt fast charging and it ships with a proper 33-watt charger in the box. There is also USB-C port on the bottom and 3.5mm audio jack next to it. If you prefer to listen to music on the speaker of the Poco X3 NFC, we hope you to do it in your own space. That's why you will truly appreciate the dual stereo speaker. The earpiece acting as a top speaker come with a 4cc equivalent cavity, and there is another one on the bottom, a 1cc equivalent. Aside from the obvious NFC from the name, the connectivity option also include Wi-Fi, ABGN-AC, Bluetooth 5.1 and a dual SIM tray. The second slot is highball to accommodate a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes of storage. The Poco X3 NFC has a liquid 2 technology 1.0 plus that include copper heat pipe and graphite sheet for effective internal cooling and heat dissipation. The fingerprint scanner is on the side, doubling as a power key. The Poco X3 NFC will arrive in a 2 memory variant, 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, and 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. It will come in either shadow gray or cabinet blue and it will cost just €229. Available begin tomorrow, September 8, will continue through September 11, and early bird unit will even cheaper, €199 depending on the storage. So this is the new Poco X3 NFC smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new smartphone from Poco? And also like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.